Good evening to everyone. So in this lecture, I would like to discuss some assignment questions on basic concepts in Python from the course Programming, Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. So in this assignment, we covered the following concepts. Those are declaring variables, control structures, loops, and few concepts in lists. The first question is how many times the while loop run. Okay, this is a question based on the while loop. So in general, the syntax of while loop is write a while, okay, some condition, colon, then write some block of statements. So now here, the initial value of I equals to 2. So in iteration 1, taken as iteration 1. So value of I is 2. So 2 greater than 0, condition is true. Okay, then the body of the loop is executed. So now I equals to I minus 1 is equal to now. I equal to I minus 1 is equal to minus 1, I equals to 1. So now I equals to 1. Now again the control jumps to value. That is called as iteration 2. Okay, in iteration 2, now the value of I is 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Okay, now I equals to I minus 1 is 1 minus 1 equals to 0. I is 0. Again goes to value. Now I is now 0. 0 greater than 0 condition is false. Now it iterates 2 times. That's why the answer is A. Now the second question is which of the following is valid Python if statement. So this is example for control structure. If you can see the syntax of if condition, then colon. After some indentation, you write some set of statements. So this can be executed. How it can be executed is if what the condition you have specified here, the condition is evaluated. If it is true, the block of statements are executed. Otherwise, you can exit from the if. Here we can see if a greater than or equals to 2, it's true. In this we are not having semicolon. We are not having semicolon, sorry, not colon, that's why. The answer is A. Because the if statement, the first statement must be ended with a colon. Clear? So we will also specifying the parenthesis here, it's not a problem. Okay, but it must be ended with a colon. So the option is A. Now, in a Python program, a control structure is. So, what will be control structure? So, in control structure, just in the previous question, we discussed the if statements. Okay. So, it is called as if there is some condition, colon, set of statements. The meaning of this one is what the condition you have specified here. If this condition is true, okay, so it will execute the statements of the if statement. It executes all the statements associated to the if those statements are executed. That's why directs the order of execution of the statements in the program. So this is B. Okay. The control structure determines which statements in the program will be executed in what order. Okay. So allowing for statements to be skipped or executed repeatedly. So the option is correct. Now question 4. So it is a initialize in the list. I can initialize sum equals 0, sum1 equals 0. So write the following. Okay. So the syntax in for loop is for. So variable name in we will write some sequence here. Colon. So some set of statements are here. Some set of statements are mentioned here. Okay. The simple syntax of what are the elements derived in a sequence. Those elements are assigned to where. Clear? Then the sequence executed until what are the elements derived in a sequence are completed. Okay. Now we take as the list one, sum equals 0, sum 1 equals 0. So list one element in list one. So each and every element is assigned to an element. If element was just 2, okay, then sum equals sum plus element continue. The meaning of continue statement is, okay, so what are the statements we are having? This continue is having within the if and then within the for loop. So generally break and continue are maintained within the loops only. Okay, so within the loop we will have some if we will maintain the continue. Okay, without for loop we will not mention the continue. It can show an error. Okay, so what we may specify the continue within the if 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 is nested in a which one for loop. Okay. So now list one more element of list one is assigned to element. If element modulus equal 0, then sum equals sum plus element, then continue. Meaning of continues, the condition is true, this one executed, and again control jumps to again loop. Clear? If the condition is false, then immediately the control comes to this one. Now what is the first element? 3. So 3 modulus 2 equal to equal, the condition is false. That's why sum 1 equals to 0 plus 3. So 3. Okay. Next again 2. 2 modulus 2 equal 0. Modulus means remainder. Okay. Condition is true. That's why sum equals to sum plus element. This 2 plus 2 equals to 2. Continue means the order statements having of this continue are not executed. Again, control over to show. Follow. Next one is 5. 5 modulus equal to condition is false. 5 modulus equal to condition is false. Next one is 3. 3 modulus 2 equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay, sum equals sum plus element. Previous sum is 2, 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. Okay, continue means what are statements you're having, those are not executed. Again, 7. 7 modulus 2 equal 0. So 0 modulus 2. Okay, the remainder is 0. Okay, condition is true. So 5 plus 2, 5 plus 0 modulus 2. Okay, condition is true. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Clear? Again, go back to continue. Condition is false. Condition is false. Okay, and coming back to 9. Okay, so in the 9 modulus 2, 9 modulus 2 condition is false. Come back this one, 3 minus 3 equals 0. Previous sum is 3, 3 plus 9, that equals to 12. Clear? So now sum 1 equals to 12. So sum is, I think, 2 plus 6. So previous is 2, 2, this one is called as here mentioned. First 2 modulus 2 equals 0. So sum equal to here element is 6, 2 plus 6, 8, sorry. Okay, so now after that 8 plus 0, that equals to 8. Clear? So now sum equals to how much? 8, sum 1 equals to 12. So the option D is correct. Okay, simply have to trace out, take the one by one element, then trace out the for loop if. Okay, now coming back to the fifth one. Which of the following is correct way of declaring and initializing the variable x with value 5? Okay, so to declaring the and initializing a variable in a Python, so we no need to specifying the data type. Okay, so the Python interpreter explicitly assigns the data type to a particular variable. That's why it's not correct. Int x equal 5, no need to assign data type. Okay, so x equal 5 is correct. Strong statement. That's why option C is correct. Okay, So these are the 5 questions we have to explain here. Thank you.